Okay, now let's deal with exponential inequations. See, I didn't say equation, inequation. That means it will have the greater than or less than sign in between. It's going to be a little different now. Okay, let's start video 6, MCAT. And okay, first thing, investigate the base 2. Most likely the 2 will be a good choice. 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power x minus 4. By now you should be familiar with those. Is less than 20. So now I apply the law of indices in multiplication. And that'll give me 2 to the power 3 plus x minus 4. In multiplication, we add indices. Remember that. Add indices, right? Is less than 20. Inequality we are doing, not equations. Inequations. So 2 to the power 3 minus 3 negative 4 will give you x to the power negative 1 is less than 20. Now, it's going to be pretty different because you got to investigate different numbers which can satisfy the thing. So if x is 0, then it'll be 2 to the power 0 minus 1 is 2 to the power negative 1, which is 1 over 2. Negative 2 to the power negative 1 means half is 0.5. So it's less than 20. So this is valid. X equals 0 is all right. X equals 1. If x equals 1, it'll be 2 to the power 0, which is 1. So it's less than 20. X equals 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4, which is still less than 20. Now x equals 3. 2 to the power 3 is 8, still less than 20. X equals 4. 4 minus 1, so that'll be 4 minus 1. I think I have done something wrong with this one. Okay, so I corrected some of those. If x is 1, 2 to the power 0 is 1. If x is 2, 2 to the power 1 is 2. If x is 3, 2 to the power 2 is 4. X is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8. And if x is 5, so it'll be 16. 2 to the power 4 is 16, still less than 20. The moment it becomes x equals 6, if I assume x equals 6, it'll be 2 to the power 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. And that'll be 32. That means it'll be higher than 20. So this is not valid. So answer should be written like this. Okay, carrying on from the previous page. So this is the equation. I changed it a little bit over there, 2 to the power 3, and then finally 2 to the power x minus 1 is less than 20 is the final inequation. I make a table because now the answers are going to be not a single answer, it's going to be a range of answers. So what I did, I made a column for x and a column for 2 to the power x minus 1, and then I'm testing different numbers. I tested 0, that gives me a value of 0 0.5. If I try 1, that'll give you a value of 1. If I try 2, and so on. So all these values up to this, up to this, up to this, up to this, is they are all less than 20, except the moment it goes to 6, 2 to the power 6 minus 1 is 2 to the power 5, which exceeds 16, it will be 32. So this is not valid. We can't accept these ones. And final answer is x can have range of values less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5.